Hi guys, it's Tim from Advanced In-Car Technologies, hope you're well. Today we have been working on this facelifted Audi A3 Cabriolet. We've done a whole host of different things to it, but today's video is all about the folding wing mirrors. So what we've done is we have replaced the wing mirrors themselves with ones with motors in the bases. We fitted the new armrest in the driver's door and fitted the new switch. So all we're going to do simply is just with your remote, just lock it up. As you see, the wing mirrors fold in, and they're designed so that when you unlock, they stay folded in. So what we're going to do, James is just going to jump in the car and just turn the ignition on. And what will happen is when he turns the ignition on, the wing mirrors will fold out, and then you're ready to drive off. So there you go, those are the wing mirrors that I've just folded out, and I'll just zoom in very quickly and we'll just lock it again. There they go, they've nicely folded out, and then what we'll do is we'll turn the ignition back on again just so that you can see them folding back out again. So what we'll do is we'll quickly just move the camera so that we can show you the new switch, how it works and all that, and also show you the new functionality on the MMI system. Right, just move the camera just so that you can see the switch and the wing mirror in its entirety. So this is the new switch. So now we've got the left, right, middle, heated and the folding function. So all I'm going to simply do is just twist it. They fold in. Twist it out. And they fold out. It's as simple as that. Now just because this is the Cabriolet version, it doesn't really matter if you've got an Audi A3, S3, RS3, Saloon, hatchback, Cabriolet. It's the exact same system that we would be fitting where it's all factory parts. I'm now going to just move the camera around just so that you can see the MMI functionality. We'll pop the hood down just because it makes it a bit easier. Okay, so we've just jumped quickly into the vehicle just so that you can see it using the MMI control. If you've got the MMI controls, you know what you're spinning and clicking and all that sort of stuff. So what we simply do is we push the menu button on the MMI, we scroll up to the car function, we go to central locking, vehicle settings, then central locking, and then right at the bottom, because we've done all the coding and the adaptation and stuff like that, click folding mirrors to tick or untick. So this means that when you lock and unlock, that's when the windows will behave like they do. So if it's ticked, it means the mirrors will fold when you lock. If it's unticked, that means that they'll just always stay out, so the choice is yours. So as I mentioned, this retrofit is available for all the A3s and RS3s and S3s, sorry. If you want to get it done to your vehicle, or you have another Audi that you want to do this with, then get in touch with us. The link is www.advanced-incar.co.uk. And as always, thanks for watching.